A very good morning to everyone. So now let's start with question 5, subtraction in the chapter money. So now the first question is rupees 45.75 from rupees 100. So now, as we have done earlier in the subtraction chapter also, whenever we see the word from, we have to first write the number that is after that, which means that is 100, and then we'll be writing 45.75. So 100 minus 45.75. So now let's start. First write rupees in paise, and then write 100, and then 45.75. Now 0 minus 5, so you can see 0 is small, 5 is big. So let's start borrowing. So we'll cancel this 0 and make this 10, and make this 0 9, because 0 has no value. So we are again and again borrowing. Again we'll write 0, we'll cancel the 0 and make it 9, and we'll go on and on till we get a number. So 9 here also, then 0, then 9 here also, and then 1. We'll cancel and make it 0. So now our calculation becomes simple. Now 10 minus 5 is 5. 9 minus 7 is 2. 9 minus 5 is 4. And 9 minus 4 is 5. So our answer is rupees 54.25. Let's move on to the second question. Rupees 13.50 from rupees 300. So we'll write 300 first. So 300 minus 13.50. So now 0 minus 0 is 0. So we will write 0 over here. Now 0 is small and 5 is big. So first we will we'll cancel the 0 and make this 10. Now again we'll cancel this 0 and make this 9. Now cancel the 0, make this 9. And cancel this 3 and make it 2. So now 10 minus 5 is 5, 9 minus 3 is 6, 9 minus 1 is 8, and 2 will come as it is. So rupees 286.50 is the answer. Let's move on to the third question. Rupees 375.55 from 400.55. Here again, from, you'll write rupees and paise. 400.55 minus 375.55. 5 minus 5 is 0. Again 5 minus 5 is 0. Now 0 and 5. So we'll cancel the 0 and make this 10. Then cancel the 0, make this 9. And cancel that 4 and make it 3. So now 10 minus 5 is 5. 9 minus 7 is 2. And 3 minus 0 is 0. 3 minus 3 is 0. Now let's move on to the next question. 25.65 rupees from 65 rupees. So first we'll write 65 and then 25.65. Now we will write again 0. We'll cancel this 0 and make this 10. Cancel the 0, make this 9. Cancel this 5, make this 4. Now 10 minus 5 is 5. 9 minus 6 is 3. Then you can see over here again 4 is small and 5 is big. So again we need to borrow. So we'll make that 14, and we'll make this 14, and we'll cancel this 6 and make it 5. So 14 minus 5 is 9. 14 minus 5 is 9, and 5 minus 2 is 3. Now let's move on to the fifth question. 750 minus 375 rupees. So again 750 minus 375. 0 minus 0 is 0. 0 minus 0 is 0. Then 0 and 5. So cancel this 0 and make this 10. Cancel this 5 and make it 4. So 10 minus 5 is 5. Now here again you can see 4 and 7. So 4. So let's make this 14, and let's cancel the 7 and make this 6. 14 minus 7 is 7. So 14 minus 7 is 7, and 6 minus 3 is 3. Let's move on to question number 6. So now here again 870.50 rupees minus 555.75 rupees. So we'll write it like this, and then the first one, again you can see 0, so let's cancel the 0, make this 10, and let's cancel that 5 and make it 4. So now 10 minus 5 is 5, 10 minus 5 is 5. Now so 7 is big and 4 is small, so let's make this 14, and let's cancel that 0. So cancel the 0, make it 9, and cancel this 7 and make it 6. So now 14 minus 7 is 7, 9 minus 5 is 4, 6 minus 5 is 1, 8 minus 5 is 3. Now let's move on to question number 7. So 380.50 minus 135.65. Now rupees and paise. So 380.50 minus 135. So again we'll cancel this 0, make this 10, cancel this 5, make this 4. Now 10 minus 5 is 5. Now again you can see that 6 is big and 4 is small. So let's borrow, make this 14, cancel this 0, make this 9, cancel this 8, and make it 7. So now 14 minus 6 is 8. 9 minus 5 is 4. 7 minus 3 is 4. 3 minus 1 is 2. Now let's move on to the next question. 545.70 minus 135.50. So here again we are writing rupees and paisa, and then we are writing 545. Now 0 minus 0 is 0. 7 minus 5 is 2. 5 minus 5 is 0. 4 minus 3 is 1. 5 minus 1 is 4. Now let's move on to the next question. Rupees 900.50 minus 370.50. So 900.50 minus 370.50. Then 0, we'll write 0 minus 0 is 0. Then 5 minus 5 is 0. Then again 0 minus 0 is 0. Then 0 minus 7. Let's borrow. So let's make this 10, and let's cancel that 9 and make it 8. Now 10 minus 7 is 3. And 8 minus 3 is 5. So 530 rupees is the answer. Let's move on to the 10th question. 545.70 minus 200.70. So here again we'll write rupees and paisa first. Then 545.70. So 0 minus 0 is 0. 7 minus 7 is 0. 5 minus 0 is 5. 4 minus 0 is 4. 5 minus 2 is 3. Now let's move on to the 11th question. 155.70 rupees minus 50.05. So 155. Now cancel this 0 and make it 10, and cancel this 7 and make it 6. So 10 minus 5 is 5, 6 minus 0 is 6, 5 minus 0 is 5, 5 minus 5 is 0 and 1. So 105.65 rupees. Let's move on to the last question. 490 minus 300 rupees and paise. You have to write now 490 minus 300. Now 0 minus 0 is 0, 0 minus 0 is 0, 0 minus 0 is 0, 9 minus 0 is 9, and 4 minus 3 is 1. So 190 is the answer. So start.